Hello everyone! Today we're going to show you how to make date maamoul with easy and quick steps. Make sure to watch the whole video and don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Ready? Let's get started. First, we need 3 cups of flour, half a cup of ghee, a quarter cup of sugar, a teaspoon of baking powder, and dates stuffed with cardamom and cinnamon. Mix the flour with the baking powder and sugar in a large bowl. Add the ghee and start kneading the mixture with your hands until it becomes a smooth and cohesive dough. This step is important to ensure the maamoul is soft and delicious. Divide the dough into small balls and stuff them with the prepared dates. Make sure the dates are soft and mixed with cardamom and cinnamon to enhance the flavor. Shape the balls into maamoul using special molds. You can choose the shapes you like. Arrange the maamoul on a baking tray, making sure to leave a small space between each piece. Place the tray in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes or until they turn a beautiful golden color. Take the maamoul out of the oven and let them cool completely before serving. To keep the maamoul fresh, store them in an airtight container. This way, they stay fresh for up to 2 weeks at room temperature. The success of this recipe depends on using high-quality ingredients, especially the ghee and dates, and kneading the dough well until it's smooth and cohesive. Also, precise shaping and baking play a big role in the final result. Use fresh, high-quality ingredients for the best flavor. Measure ingredients accurately using a scale or measuring cups. Sift the flour to eliminate any lumps. Avoid over-mixing the dough to maintain a light texture. Allow the dough to rest for the specified time to ensure proper ingredient interaction. Preheat the oven for optimal baking results. Use parchment paper to prevent the cookies from sticking to the tray. Avoid opening the oven during baking to prevent the dough from collapsing. Let the cookies cool completely before serving or decorating. Store the cookies in a dry, sealed container to maintain their texture and flavor. If you liked the video, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.